Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Then let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just read it and tap on I agree. Tap on accept, shortcut of backup and storage, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can also remove it whenever you want to, just tap on the account and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.